Yes, you're listening to you.
I was given the information that some officers from the Anghua Educational District will be supervising my class today. I said, okay, no problem, let them come. Then they came in made up of 45 directors. It's like, oh my God. I got confused. I was like, how can 45 people supervise just one teacher? Anyway, let me just do my thing. Let me just flow. So I started my lesson.
Okay. Last week we looked at countries, their capitals, and then some of the continents you can find them. So let's look at some of the countries like, yes, go. In Asia. Give it a clap, give it a clap. Good. Beautiful. Clap for him. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok, also in Asia. Let's check our topic. What clap for today? Environmental problems. Again. You can just what? You can just what? Good. You have to put the fan off. What can I do? Put that for me. Put that for me. I can what? I can turn off. What if after using this plastic bottle? Okay, I'm using this. It's new. So it's new. It's new. So I want to recycle. I can just what? I can just drop this into it, and next time it can be taken to the shop and used for another thing. That means it can be recycled. It can be recycled. The same way, it's new, so don't worry, I will take it out again. I can also refill this bottle. I can put water into it, and I can use it. I can drink it. Instead of going to throw this away to cause environmental pollution. Is that okay? So now, having said that, let's group these words and pick up, turn off, recycle, and reuse. Now let's go over the words. Let's go. Okay, now so who can come on the board, and I need 3 people. Okay, let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do. And okay, let's see. Let's feel it. Oh, pass it. You can pass it. There you go. And the rest you can try it. You can try it. Can we pick up plastic bottles? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Can we pick up cans?
Yes.
Okay. Can we pick up old boxes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can we pick up garbage?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now let's look at what we have here. Turn off. Can we turn off lights?
Yes.
Okay. And what of the fan?
Yes.
Okay. Air condition?
Yes.
Faucets?
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at things we can also recycle. Okay. Can we recycle plastic bottle?
Yes.
Okay. Shopping bag?
Yes.
Newspapers?
Yes.
Okay. And what of reuse? What can we reuse? Can we reuse shopping bag?
Yes.
Okay. plastic bottles?
Yes.
Alright, good job. Say sound. How do you say this? Ah. It sounds like. So this is a job making sound. We're making this sound. Ah. Let's all make it. Ah. Again. Ah. Again. Ah. Example. Garbage.
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 Market. Market. Yes. Now let's look at this sound. So this sound has two sounds. And A. And A. Example, we can have good. Bag. Let's say bag. 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 Because of this nasal sound, you can say bank. 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 Good. So we have other examples you can look. This is dog. Dog. Let's go. So you always have to open the mouth. And let's look at this. You can have animal. Yes, so those are these words and how they move. What will you do to protect the environment?
I will write a fire tomorrow.
I will write
I
well.
write a fire
I will ride a bike every day, okay? What will you
I
do?
will this it tomorrow.
I'll do it tomorrow, okay?
I will it in
I will do it.
the Bible.
Okay. Who will you do it with?
My friend.
My friend. Clap for them. Clap for them. Okay. Who else? I ready. Come on, don't feel shy. Let's go. Okay. A bit louder. Let's go. Clap for them. Everyone else, they're bringing their class to an end. Everyone else. How can you protect the environment?
Well, finally, we brought the class to an end. A successful one, of course. After this, we also had a post-lecture conference where all the supervisors gave out their commentary about my teaching, which was very positive. Finally, she told me that she was very impressed about how I went about my methodology and how I delivered the lessons, the charisma, and everything that I did was just on point and showed that I was an experienced teacher and that she's very proud of where I'm coming from, and she believes that in future we can have a very great partnership. I think these were very encouraging words from her and the entire team. So plan coming to Vietnam to teach. What I can say that now the government has taken education very serious, and now they won't only supervise only Vietnamese teachers, but they will go further to also foreign teachers. It then means that everything that we do and teach is going to be monitored and controlled. That means that if you need to come here, then you need to be a good teacher, ready to learn and learn and better yourself. This is a starting point for a lot of African teachers to come in. However, if you don't do a good job, you should be promised that you may sooner or later return back to your country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as we learn a lot of things. Subscribe now.